In the vibrant heart of Tshwane, a revolution in advertising is underway. Welcome to the Sound of Success. I'm Glenn Lees-Jones, your conduit to an eager audience ready to hear your story. Picture reaching 60,000 to 100,000 ears daily with a message that resonates, inspires, and prompts action. For 27 years, we've tuned into Tshwane's rhythm, becoming a trusted voice amidst the clamor. Now we invite you to join this symphony of success. Did you know a single encounter with your ad on our airwaves can send 6% of listeners searching for you online, double the exposure, and that number leaps to 36%. But it's not all about numbers, it's about connection, about integrating your brand into the daily lives of your community. With rates significantly lower than most, the question isn't, can I afford to, but can I afford not to? From 30-second spots that ignite imagination to sponsoring programs that resonate, broadcasting your success has never been simpler. Let's unravel the enigma of radio advertising together. Let me demonstrate how accessible and influential it can be. Whether it's creating top-of-mind awareness, building your brand, or simply making waves in Tshwane, the time is now. Let's make the airwaves your playground. Contact me, Glenn Lees-Jones, and let's tune into the future of your business together, because with radio, the next big success story could be yours.